Make a straight that stands up on its own.
Oh.
A 3D.
Okay, what else is different about the straws? We have clear and we have striped ones. We have plain yellow. What?
About a circle.
They're smaller. What makes them smaller? What's missing?
Tape. A circle.
I know the women's and men's.
We have to make it 3D.
You made a rectangle.
Make it whichever way you want.
Okay, I got
The data one too. This group, are you done?
They're still working on.
Oh, they're still working? Okay, all right.
La la. Oh my god. I did a rectangle.
There's a rectangle.
About a circle.
They're smaller. What makes them smaller? What's missing?
Tape. A circle.
Yeah, there's a circle.
I just used one straw in my.
But how is this straw different than like this straw?
Because that one has a
bendy.
A flex. Okay, so now the question is, which works better? The flex straw or the plain one? Which is stronger?
These ones, but these are harder to bend.
Okay. Yeah, so you wouldn't, there'd be some shapes you couldn't make, right?
Yeah, I can't make it.
Okay, so now the question is, which works better? The flex straw or the plain one? Which is stronger?
These ones, but these are harder to bend.
Okay. Yeah, so you wouldn't, there'd be some shapes you couldn't make, right?
Yeah, I can't make a 3D one.
That's where I start doing it.
I got an idea.
Yeah.
It worked, Tyler. I just love the
Your
collaboration
idea.
Yeah.
and scientists.
Yep. Another one of the set abilities.
Let's hope your idea works.
Just make it.
Okay.
It's not. Yes. It's gonna fall out.
I know how to cut this. I know how to go.
Yeah, she's been great. She's been great.
You need the tape.
Kate, what other ways would you test your parachutes?
Well, we're trying to make more ways.
It's okay if it doesn't work because you learn to. Okay, let's try that.
Yeah, wait. We're gonna have some tape. We're gonna need this.
We're gonna need that. We're gonna just put up attach.
Okay, who's gonna draw?
Okay, that's enough. Now we need to cut it.
Jack.
One part.
No, read the instructions.
Okay, go.
Design first.
Ready. I'm trying to roll the strip.
Know that it has to stay open for it to work.
Do it.
I see you got your helper here. Tyler's getting your. I can take the tape off.
I don't have air in the bag. No way.
Let's just do blue. Brown.
Okay. I have brown.
She's got brown. Shaylee's got brown.
Okay, so
The height of this?
the height.
Anything three-dimensional? Okay, try something three-dimensional.
If I had a year, you're not. I have probably like 2.
Do you want the rulers?
No, I think I can just like look like
this
that tall. You're probably like 4'3".
Okay, so I'm about 5'6". We'll stand back to back. How tall do you think you are?
4'3". I'm not sure.
So stand back to back. If you think if she's 5'3", how tall is she? About 5 inches taller?
Start with test. Who had test as a set ability?
This group.
This group had it. Tell us what you did. You made parachutes. Okay, what supplies did you have?
Oh, me, Drew, and Tyler used paper, a plastic bag, markers, string, and a cut.
Okay. What else? There was
Tape.
one more thing.
Tape.
Tape. One more thing. What else did you have?
Oh, brains.
You had brains, yeah.
Scissors.
Scissors.
We had markers, tape, pencils, and tape.
What's on the bottom of the cup?
We had pennies as our weight.
Okay.
Cup, string, tape, markers,
a plastic bag, and 3 pencils.
Okay, which worked better? The ones with weight or without weight?
Without.
Without. Why do you think that is?
Because it's lighter.
It's lighter.
But
Okay.
there's something I see different though on this one. Do you see, you do have a weight.
Oh, you do have a
The
weight.
markers are like a weight, right?
We just wanted to make it even.
Yeah.
I know, but that's actually an added weight.
But this one weighs more, right?
That one weighs even more.
Yeah. So this one worked better than that one, correct?
Did it? Yeah?
Yep. Okay.
So weight, but not too much weight.
Okay. All right, as a total group, where else, you saw them like throwing them up and coming down, how else could they have tested?
Wait, never mind.
How else could they could tested which one worked better? Yeah.
Maybe you could, in your house, if you have a balcony, you could throw it off.
Farther, taller, more space. And that would even be outside versus inside. What could affect it outside versus inside?
Wind.
The wind, like yesterday when it was
They
windy.
got into the Grand Canyon.
Could have went to the Grand Canyon, then you have to rush down to the bottom to see who got there first. Okay.
It was a race thing.
A lot of wind, yeah. Okay. Dropping it without what? Without weight?
Can we have the weight?
Put holes in the, where? In the cup or the paper? Where would you put the holes? The cup.
Bag.
And the bag also makes difference.
in the back.
Did you try this kind of bag?
No.
Which do you think would work better? That bag or this bag?
That one.
Why? Why do you think
It's
this bag?
lighter. It's like
It's
Wider.
it's like
It's more stiff. It could be. We'd have to test it. You think it'll stay out more? Or is it firmer construction than that one?
more firm.
Okay. So again, we'd have to test it. So somebody who stays out.
All right, who had build and construct? You guys did, right? And what materials did you have?
We had straws and paper clips.
Straws and paper clips. And what did you have to do?
We had them build
Build
shapes like a triangle and a square and see which one is strong.
Okay, so you built triangles and squares to see which is stronger. Which was stronger?
This one.
Probably the triangle.
The triangle?
Well, it's because that one pointed me.
Yeah.
Okay, that one came apart easily. Okay, did you make something then after you figured out which was stronger? Didn't get that far? What could you make with those shapes? Go ahead.
She's really good.
A person?
She's really good. You can make
Okay.
like Pikachu and stuff.
Pikachu?
If you had scissors, a really thin triangle.
A triangle? Could you build a bridge or a house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you can do it.
And which shapes would you use to build a bridge or a house?
Squares.
Squares? Okay, and triangles. You could use them together. Would that make it stronger?
Yeah.
Rectangles?
We could make a house.
Okay. All right. The last one we've got, and I know because it's getting kind of late, the last one we've got is data collection.
They did 3.
Oh, okay. That's a lot.
Yeah, well, the testing took longer. So tell us about the collecting data or data collection. What did you do for that one?
We didn't get very far, but we made a graph thing for the height. Yeah.
Okay. So collecting data, what they did is they had all the names of the 4 people in their group. They figured out, they wrote down hair color, eye color, height, age, and then they made a bar graph to compare the heights, right? What did you guys learn about science, technology, engineering, and math today?
It's fun.
It's fun?
No.
Some of you thought it was fun. What else?
It is
Hard.
Hard. It can be hard.
Helpful.
Helpful.
Useful.
Useful.
Easy.
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 Do you use your set abilities every day?
Yeah.
You do, don't you? You use them every day, whether you're doing it for homework or in class, or even just when you figure out what you're going to wear in the morning, right? Is that problem solving when you figure out what you're going to wear in the morning?
I get glad.
It is, isn't it? Because you have to figure out what the weather's like. Do you need a coat or a sweater or a hat or gloves or not? Okay.